Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. So if you're seeing this device cannot be used for Cash App error, it usually means Cash App has detected a potential security risk or device issue. So here's how to fix it. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve minor issues with the app or device settings. So power off your device, wait a few seconds, then turn it back on. Actually, restarting is way better. So then an outdated version of the app can cause compatibility issues. You can update it in your corresponding store. Also, guys, you can clear the cache. For example, go to the settings, apps, cache, app, storage, clear cache. This can fix temporary bugs and data conflicts. Also, guys, keep in mind that VPN and proxy can also mess things around. Cash App may block VPNs or proxies for security reasons. If you're using one, disable it and try again. Incorrect time settings can cause verification errors. Go to settings, date and time, and enable automatic date and time. Lastly, guys, you can also use a very simple method, which is reinstalling the application. So just uninstall it, go back to the store, install it again. Hopefully that will fix it. If none of these work, just visit the official Cash App support page or contact them through the app. Guys, hopefully this helps you out. If it did, press like, subscribe, see you in the next one.